Hi guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Are you ready for a new video? We start! With the previous video, we have temporarily finished the presentation of the model kits currently available under the AMK brand. We have other model kits in progress, but we will have to wait a little longer to have them available. In the meantime, in order to prevent our YouTube channel from standing still, we will proceed by showing you other reports relating to our trips to exhibitions or museums, where there are subjects relating to human spaceflight and much more concerning this sector. Beyond that, we will become advisor for you relating to astronautical modeling on the market. In this way, we will give you the opportunity to better evaluate the various subjects, and you will have a clear idea on which to buy to enrich your collection more and more. As always, we would like to point out that on this channel, we only deal with model kits of real subjects or, in any case, with projects related to real spaceflight, even if they were studied but never realized. We don't deal with sci-fi. We leave this to others. In this video, we will talk about the model reproducing the Mercury Redstone rocket produced and marketed by the Real Space Models and reproduced on a 144 scale. The Mercury Redstone launch vehicle was the first crewed launch vehicle in the United States space program. The Mercury Redstone provided NASA with an opportunity to understand the performance aspects of the Mercury spacecraft with an astronaut on board. On October 7, 1958, NASA formally organized Project Mercury to place a manned spacecraft in orbit, fly around the Earth, to investigate human reaction to this new environment and recover the spacecraft and the pilot safely. 3 qualification flights of the Mercury Redstone vehicle were conducted. MR1 was attempted on November 21, 1960. At launch, the vehicle rose a few inches before engines shut down and it settled back on the pad. The problem was determined by a premature disconnection of power and control connectors from the ground equipment. A second successful attempt, MR1A, took place on December 19th. 1960. On January 31st, 1961, MR2 lifted a Mercury spacecraft carrying Ham, the chimpanzee who was recovered safely after helping NASA test the spacecraft life support system. Because of a minor engine thrust issue, the Marshall team decided to insert an extra booster development mission into the schedule to minimize risk. The MRBD mission was a complete success, but it caused unplanned expenses. The Mercury Redstone 3 MR3 mission, which took place on May 5, 1961, is considered, after the flight of Yuri Gagarin, as the second human flight in the history of space flights. Alan Shepard was therefore the first US citizen to leave Earth's atmosphere during the Mercury program. The Mercury spacecraft, named Freedom 7, performed a simple ballistic flight. This didn't allow the astronaut placed inside it to reach a terrestrial orbit, but, however, he earned the appointment of the first American astronauts. 15 minutes before launch, the countdown was interrupted. Dense clouds had in fact formed in the sky above Cape Canaveral, so much that it would not have been possible to document and observe the flight photographically. After 52 minutes, the sky cleared and the countdown resumed. After a total of 15 minutes and 22 seconds of flying, the Freedom 7 landed in the waters of the Atlantic Ocean, where previously prepared helicopters proceeded to recover the astronaut and his spacecraft. Shepard was immediately subject to medical checks, which resulted in an excellent condition. According to his statements, the flight was successful without encountering any physical problems. Alan B. Shepard later also served as part of the Apollo program, landing as commander of the Apollo 14 mission. On July 21st, the MR-4 carried a Mercury capsule into orbit with Virgil I. Grissom inside. This flight marked the end of the Mercury Redstone program. NASA would then continue with the Mercury Atlas program. The model kit is made up of very few pieces which can be assembled quickly. Inside the package, we find a piece of tube that reproduces the main body of the rocket, some resin pieces reproducing the drifts of the rocket, the engine area, the Mercury capsule, and the upper part of the escape tower. The other pieces included in the package are a small photo attached to make the escape tower trailers, and a decal sheet that will allow us to correctly reproduce the vector's livery in its entirety. In its simplicity, the model is incredibly beautiful. It is finally finished, and upon its completion, you will find in your hands a small model kit reproducing a rocket that made the US history of the space program great. Without a doubt, we highly recommended it to those who want to include it in their collection. Its cost is certainly not excessive. In our opinion, it is more than fair given its size and richness of details. Improvements that could be made, known for us. Great model at a fair cost. So guys, also this time we have finished another great video. See you soon next time. Bye and thanks. And don't forget, the AMK model kits are the best. If you have interested regarding this model kit, write me on this email. Bye.